In this video, I'll be reading the Xapo website and exploring it. On the homepage, it says, "Always with you." From knowing your funds are always safe to getting money to a loved one in a hurry. No matter where you're from or where you are headed, Xapo is always with you. You could get the Act Global fee at home. Whenever you're in India or Argentina, the UK or the US, send and receive money instantly anywhere in the world. Buy and securely store Bitcoins. Convert and store your money in any traditional currency and send and receive money as fast as a text message. Whenever you call her, Xapo is a digital banking alternative right in your pocket. Okay, I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information about Xapo, you could go to the We Use Coins website.